Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo 417. So this one is makes a change, but it's not a DMR build. So this one's just for 370 FPS limits for some sites, and this one is shooting at 292, so it's right up there. So 1.26 joules, and like I say, so hopefully that's all good for you. And we've also done, like I say, it's full auto, so it's not locked or anything like that. Still firing. We've also got the level 9 build in here, so it's got the Prometheus Type War EagleSix Upgrade spring. It's got the R Hop in there. It's got the obviously upgraded gears from Prometheus. It's got the upgraded bearings. It's got obviously all the internal cylinder set, so it's got Selector plate, Tappet plate, Air Nozzle. It's got the FPS Cylinder Head, FPS FPS Piston Head, and it's got obviously we've done the Prometheus gold bar conversion at the back here, so that you can just put normal batteries in there, normal Lipos. We've got FPS Spring guide, gates Titan Advanced. We've got the Warhead Ronin motor, which is the 31K. We've got the Lilacs trigger pin, and obviously the Prometheus black trigger, the Epsilon, and that's pretty much it. So, pretty much that's a whole lot. So we're obviously just going to test it now working. There we go. So everything's all working. Hopefully the spec is good for you on your build, and you enjoy it. So thank you very much. Have fun.